Welcome to a quick guide on using Tochie, your personal voice aid. This video assumes you have been successful in setting up your Tochie device and have it connected to Wi-Fi. In this video, I will show you how to use the quick message function. The quick message function allows you to send an immediate message to Tochie, which will play it immediately. Examples of when you would use quick message include when there's an unexpected change in a planned event and you need to inform the message receiver immediately, or when you need to send a one-off reminder or greeting that needs to be sent immediately. Before we send a quick message, first let's check the confirmation settings for the device. Under the settings option, go to My Speaker. Under confirmation settings, choose the number of times the message will be repeated if there is no confirmation the first time it is played. Next, we choose a time to wait for confirmation before repeating the message. So let's try the quick message function. Select the quick message icon in the lower right corner of the page. The screen shows the device the quick message will be sent to. The confirmation option allows you to toggle if you would like to have a confirmation from the message receiver. If the confirmation required option is chosen, the message receiver will need to double tap Tochie firmly after the message is played to confirm he or she has heard the message. Tochie will acknowledge confirmation by saying thank you to the message receiver. For this example, I will pick confirmation required. Mom, I'm going to be late picking you up. I'm stuck in traffic. I'll see you soon. I now send the message. On the receiver's end, this is what they need to do to confirm the message. Mom, I'm going to be late picking you up. I'm stuck in traffic. I'll see you soon.
Please tap Tochie to confirm you have heard this message.
Double tap the top of the Tochie device firmly to confirm you have heard a message. Once Tochie detects your confirmation, Tochie will respond with, "Thank you."
Thank you.
Once confirmed, the sender will get a push notification of the confirmation. The History tab will also list the confirmed quick message sent.